Welcome to the Navy Channel. Today, we're diving into the impressive Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, a game-changing asset for the U.S. Marine Corps. Did you know that the ACV can operate in water for over 12 hours, reaching speeds of up to 6 knots while carrying up to 13 fully equipped Marines? On land, it can travel at speeds of 65 miles per hour across various terrains, making it one of the most versatile vehicles in the modern military arsenal. Stay tuned as we explore the ACV's cutting-edge features, its critical role in amphibious operations, and how it stacks up to its predecessor, the AAV-7. The ACV is a wheeled, armored amphibious vehicle designed to transport a full squad of Marines, up to 13 fully equipped personnel, from ship to shore and then continue operating inland. It combines the ability to operate in both aquatic and terrestrial environments, with improved performance over its predecessor. The ACV's design and construction emphasize survivability, mobility, and modularity, making it a versatile asset for the modern battlefield. One of the most interesting aspects of the ACV is its advanced hull design, shaped like a V, which provides significantly better protection against mines, improvised explosive devices, and other underbelly threats. This is a crucial improvement, given the increasing prevalence of asymmetric warfare in modern conflict zones. In comparison to the AAV-7, which has a flat-bottom hull, the ACV is much better suited to protect its occupants from explosive threats encountered both on land and near shorelines. The ACV is designed to operate efficiently in both water and land environments, maintaining its amphibious capability while significantly improving its performance on land. In water, the ACV can achieve speeds of up to 6 knots, using 2 powerful rear propellers that enable the vehicle to traverse water with ease, even in rough sea conditions. The vehicle can operate in water for extended periods, enabling long-range amphibious assaults. The ACV can operate for over 12 hours in the water, allowing it to cover long distances from ship to shore before transitioning to land-based operations. On land, the ACV's 8x8 wheeled design provides excellent maneuverability, allowing it to travel across various types of terrain, from mud and sand to rocky and mountainous regions. Unlike the tracked AAV-7, which was slower and less efficient on land, the ACV can reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour on road surfaces, making it a fast and agile combat vehicle capable of keeping pace with other land-based vehicles in an expeditionary force. Its off-road capabilities also allow it to traverse difficult and uneven terrain, ensuring that Marines can reach their objectives quickly and efficiently. The ACV is designed to offer a high level of protection for its crew and passengers. Its armor plating provides significant defense against small arms fire, artillery fragments, and blast effects from roadside bombs or mines. The vehicle's survivability is enhanced by its advanced mine-resistant hull, which significantly reduces the damage from explosions beneath the vehicle, a common threat in modern combat zones. The vehicle is also equipped with NBC, nuclear, biological, and chemical protection systems, ensuring that Marines can continue their mission in the event of a chemical, biological, or nuclear attack. Additionally, the ACV can be fitted with active protection systems to counter incoming threats, such as rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, or anti-tank guided missiles, further enhancing its survivability in hostile environments. The ACV is equipped with a range of weapons systems designed to provide fire support for infantry and to engage enemy forces during amphibious landings and ground operations. The basic version of the ACV comes with a .50 caliber M2 machine gun, providing the ability to engage both light vehicles and personnel targets at ranges up to 1,800 meters. For enhanced firepower, the ACV can be fitted with a remote weapon station that can mount a variety of weapon systems, including the M242 Bushmaster 25mm chain gun or the MK1940mm automatic grenade launcher. This gives the ACV the capability to engage enemy light armor, vehicles, and personnel at greater distances, providing critical support to Marine infantry during combat operations. The cost of the amphibious combat vehicle is an important consideration, especially as it is set to replace the AAV-7 fleet. The ACV program is part of the Marine Corps' modernization efforts, and initial estimates place the cost per vehicle at around $6 to $7.5 million on the specific configuration and equipment. This includes costs for advanced electronics, armor, and modular weapon systems. The U.S. Marine Corps initially awarded contracts to BAE Systems for the development and production of the ACV, with plans to procure over 700 vehicles in total. The initial batch of 204 vehicles cost approximately $1.2 billion, including research, development, and production. As more vehicles are produced, the unit cost is expected to decrease due to economies of scale. The ACV is typically deployed from amphibious assault ships and other vessels capable of supporting amphibious operations. These ships are crucial to the Marine Corps' strategy of rapid deployment from sea to shore. Some of the key types of ships that deploy the ACV include the Wasp-class, LHD, and America-class, LHA. Amphibious assault ships are among the largest in the U.S. Navy, designed to carry a variety of helicopters, aircraft, and landing craft. These ships have well decks, from which ACVs can launch directly into the water for amphibious operations. The ACV can drive out of the well deck into the sea and proceed toward the shore, carrying Marines to their destination in support of an amphibious assault. The San Antonio-class, LPD transport dock ships, including the USS Anchorage, LPD-23, play a critical role in amphibious operations. These ships are designed to carry and deploy ACVs, helicopters, and other landing craft. The well deck of an LPD allows the ACV to embark and launch directly into the water, similar to the larger LHA-LHD classes. The Whidbey Island-class and Harper's Ferry-class dock landing ships are also capable of deploying ACVs. These ships have large well decks specifically designed for amphibious vehicles and landing craft. They can transport a variety of vehicles, including the ACV, and deploy them for ship-to-shore operations. The ACV is designed to support long-range amphibious operations with an operational range of over 300 miles on land. In the water, its range depends on sea conditions and the distance from ship to shore, but its ability to remain operational in water for over 12 hours gives it an extended amphibious capability. This endurance ensures that the ACV can operate in complex and extended amphibious missions, giving commanders the flexibility to deploy forces from farther offshore. One of the key advantages of the ACV is its modular design, allowing it to be adapted for various roles. Future variants of the ACV will likely include versions for command and control, reconnaissance, ambulance, and fire support missions. This modularity ensures that the ACV can evolve to meet the changing needs of the Marine Corps as new threats and technologies emerge. The Marine Corps is also exploring future upgrades to the ACV, including the possibility of integrating advanced unmanned systems and improved communication networks. These upgrades would enhance the ACV's ability to operate in joint and coalition environments, improving its ability to coordinate with other units and assets in complex, multi-domain battle spaces. The amphibious combat vehicle is a cornerstone of the United States Marine Corps' modernization efforts. With its superior protection, firepower, and amphibious capabilities, the ACV is a formidable platform for the future of expeditionary warfare. As the Marine Corps continues to adapt to new challenges in global security, the ACV will play a critical role in ensuring the U.S. military's ability to project power and respond to crises across the world. The ACV's deployment on amphibious ships like the USS Anchorage showcases its pivotal role in modern naval warfare, blending sea and land operations in one highly capable vehicle. From its advanced armor and firepower to its amphibious endurance, the ACV is set to shape the future of the Marine Corps for years to come. Do you think vehicles like the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, are essential for modern military operations? And how do you see their role evolving in future conflicts? Write your response in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching today's deep dive into the Amphibious Combat Vehicle. We hope you found this exploration of its capabilities, features, and role in modern amphibious warfare insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and breakdowns of the Navy's most advanced technologies. See you next time on the Navy Channel.